Sorry, you can't videotape that.
I don't care.
Why?
It's against the law.
Why?
It's considered cockfighting. Why are they fighting?
For dominance.
Colorful ones in the way.
So go away. He just like ducked it.
You're never quiet when something's wrong.
I'm watching them. So are you.
Enough, you two.
They're like, that my girl. No, that my girl.
Enough. Get back down there.
I was asking. You might want
Come
to
on,
be careful.
get down there.
Let him go.
Get on there.
Start throwing dollar bills on him.
This wire and stuff.
It's chicken wire. That's what it's supposed to be used for. Watch this. He's gonna go for you.
It's not chicken wire, that's fencing.
No, but right to the side of you.
That is.
They like just jump over each other.
What are they doing?
Fighting for dominance.
Why?
Let's see who's better.
Like competition, the wire, you know.